My name is Nana and welcome to my channel. So if you actually follow me on Instagram, you probably already know that I promised myself that I'm going to make fried chicken once I reach 500 subscribers on YouTube. And now that we're here, thank you so much for allowing me to eat fried chicken. And so yeah, in this video we're going to be making a super crunchy fried chicken that stays crunchy even after like hours. And believe me when I say it stays crunchy, because yesterday I finished cooking at around like 3:30. And then I had to leave like right away because I had a dentist appointment, and I actually ate it at around like 6:30 or 7, so that's like 3 hours later. And so yeah, if you're looking for a super crunchy fried chicken that stays crunchy, here you go. And again, thank you so much for all of you who have subscribed to my channel. And yeah, I promise that I will try to be better and share more recipes with you guys and so on. And so yeah, thank you, and that's pretty much it. Let's get cooking. And that's pretty much it. I hope that you like this video. If you like it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also to share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. And if you have any feedbacks or requests or whatever, please just leave me a comment down below and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!